Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use magnification to zoom in or zoom out on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility. In here, tap on visibility enhancement. In the visibility enhancement screen, go down and tap on magnification. Now in here, what you can do is tap on the magnification shortcut to turn it on. Once you turn it on, tap on the left hand side panel. In here you have 4 different options how you can turn on magnification. Now at the top here is the tap on the accessibility button. So tap on the radio box if you want to use this shortcut. Now again, you got the press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds to turn on or turn off magnifications. Then you have another shortcut which is to use the side button with the volume up key. And then the last option is to use the triple tap to turn on or turn off magnifications. So I have now turned on all the 4 different options, and we're going to go through all the different options that is available for you to use magnification. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the home screen, and the first shortcut is to use the accessibility button. So you tap on this little man icon at the bottom corner, then tap on magnification to turn it on. Once it is on, you can see there is a yellow or an orange border around the screen. So I'm going to tap on it to switch it off. So that is how you can turn it on or off using the first shortcut. The second shortcut is to use the volume up and volume down keys. So press and hold on both keys for 3 seconds. Press and hold. And after 3 seconds, you can see now zooming or magnification has been turned on. You can press and hold on it to switch it off. You need to press on both buttons at the same time. And the other way is to press on the volume up and the side button. With this one, you just quickly press and release, and that will immediately turn on magnification or switch it off. And the last method on how you can turn it on is to use triple tap. So 1, 2, 3, that will turn on magnification with also a zoom. It's automatically zoom in as well, and I can triple tap to zoom out and turn off magnifications. Okay, so once you turn on magnifications, you can use 2 fingers to move around the screen like this. You can also pinch in to zoom in, or zoom out. So we can zoom in, right in, or we can zoom out. Okay, now you can collapse the windows by tapping on this button here, and this will zoom back out, and this will give you a window. Okay, so with this small windows, you can move the windows around the screen to zoom in. Now within these windows, you can also zoom in or zoom out by pinching in and out. You can also change the size of the zooming window by tapping on this button at the bottom here. And once the border goes to blue, you can readjust the height and the width of the window. And then after that, you can move the windows around to zoom in on the object or the subject that you want to observe. And there is also a lock button in the middle, so tap on the middle button to lock it. Once you lock the windows, you can move your screen, but the windows will stay in a fixed position. And you can unlock it to move your windows around. So to move the windows, remember to use 2 fingers. And you can also press on this expand button to move your zoom back into a full screen. And that's it. So that is basically how you can use your magnifications to zoom in or zoom out on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And to turn off magnifications, just triple tap on the screen, and that will allow you to turn off magnification. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.